Dear students, BA Part 2nd, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In last video, we learned an essay on good resolutions. Today, we are going to learn an essay, My Fortune. Fortune means future. Here is the meaning of fortune word. Is my future. This essay is written by J.B. Priestley. So now we will learn life and the work of essayist J.B. Priestley. John writer J.B. Priestley. J.B. Priestley's name is John Writer. His lifespan is 1894 up to 1984. Was an English novelist, playwright, scriptwriter, and broadcaster. So see here, he is playwright, scriptwriter, broadcaster, and novelist. Means he worked in this field. So he was the greatest writer. And here we are learning about him. It is a good task for us. We can inspire from him, and we can utilize his work or his way of life in our life. Priestley was born at Manningham, Bradford, to a headmaster's father. He was educated in Bell Woo Grammar School. So here he educated at Bell Woo Grammar School. That is the name of the school. He joined Help and Co. as the junior clerk at the age of 16 in 1901 and worked till 1940. During that time, he used to write during night time and publish his article in local London newspaper. So he write the article, and his article published in 9 times in London newspaper. It is a good to write the any article and publish in newspaper. So like that task we have to follow in our life also. We have to also write the article or any application against the problem of government or any. He also served in the army during the World War First. So he is means work in the also World War First. Means he has soldier job. Volunteering to join to 10th Battalion, the Duke Wellington's regiment in 1940. So like that in 1940 he worked in army. He was badly wounded in France in 1916 and had to spend many months in the hospital. And after that he was wounded in the war in 1960. Yeah, he was in hospital after that. In 1980, he was commissioned as an officer in Devonshire Regiment. After his military service, he received university education at Trinity College, and after army service, he has taken education in Trinity College, Cambridge. So Trinity College in Cambridge. By the age of 30, he was established as a reputed essayist and critic. At the age of 30, he became reputed essayist and critic. Priestley had a deep love for classical music. He was married 3 times. He died in 1984. Like that also, with 1984, his life has finished. So now we learn about work of him. He was a widely read author of novels. The firstly he wrote the novels like Yadam in Moonshine. It is the first novel of him. It was published in 1927. Next novel is The Good Companions in 1929. Next novel is Angel Pavement in 1930. Another novel is Farewell in 1932. So, Farewell is famous novel of him. Next is The Doomsday Man in 1936. Next is Out of the People 1941. Also, this is a famous novel of him. Bright Day in 1946. Jenny Villiers in 1947. Next novel is Out of the People in 1941. Next is Bright Day 1946. Next is Jenny Villiers in 1947. Next novel is The Magician. It was published in 1954 and it is also very famous novel at that time. Many people read this novel, Magician, and in that novel there is the power of the magician, because at that time people believe on magic. There are the two types of magic. Number one is a good magic and number second is black magic. Next novel is Lost Empire. It was published in 1965. So these are novels have been written by J.B. Priestley. Next is he had also to his credit a wide range of non-fiction. Non-fiction means a novel is depend on realistic. Plays including Dangerous Corner. So first non-fiction is Dangerous Corner. It is also play. It was published in 1932. Next work is Cornelius in 1935. Next work is Time and the Cornwalls in 1937. Next work is I Have Been Here Before 1937. Another work is Johnson over Jordan. It was published in 1939 and Inspector's Calls, etc. His writings are also popular known for the television. So his writing very well known for television, means his plays, novels were published on television, means it were show on the television. Literary criticism. So his writings are famous for also literary criticism, social perspective, and political perspective. So this writing are famous in also political perspective and autobiographical perspective, and he wrote also essay. So here we discuss about life and work of essayist. So you read properly this essay is a very important exam point of view. In next video we will learn next part of this essay. Thank you.